Abby, what are you doing? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So what you do today?
Kayak, this is stupid.
Kayaked all the way from where we got the boats all the way to South Shore Park.
There's a dragon over there. I hit its tongue.
This is tough work. We may have to get our boat on shore and walk it back.
I wouldn't go that far, Mr. Wussy.
Are you done resting them?
Resting what?
Resting your bones.
Yeah. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. We're trying to decide if I'm in okay shape to go kayaking with 6 girls. And I don't think so. I think it's a fruitfulness endeavor. Let's go see the lake, shall we? Onward, my good man. Excuse me, I'd like to go now. Excuse me, we're going the wrong way, sir. Ah! What's that?
Sorry.
He splashed me! Excuse me, turn me around, please. Reverse, reverse. There we go. Evan, are you having fun?
I am. Are you having fun?
Super. Can you touch the ground here with your kayak pole thing?
If we stop moving, I can try. Wait. We're still moving. It's not working.
Okay, we're still.
I can't actually.
Wow. So would you say we're in mortal danger?
Yes, mortal danger.
Mortal danger.
That's where the spillover is over there. I can feel it sucking us in.
Okay, I have to help now, so I'll see you later.